In this video, we will understand what is a sector, how to find area of a sector and formula for the same for a circle. The present figure gives us an idea that the circle is divided into equal half because circle consists of 360 degree, and over here in this sector we are getting 180 degree. 360 divided by 2 is equal to 180 degree, or we can even write it like 360 into half is equal to 180 degree, and over here we have been given the value of this sector is 180 degree. First of all, we need to understand what is a sector. A sector is a part of a circle. There can be many sectors, like in a pizza we have many sectors. It is divided in this way, circle, and this part, this part, this part, this part, this part. All these parts are sectors. They can be equally divided or they can be randomly divided. That depends upon the situation, and this varies upon case to case. Before understanding the sector of an area, we have to understand area of a circle. So this is a center point and this is a radius denoted by r, and same over here r. So area of a circle will be pi into r square. So value of pi is 22 by 7 into r square. That means radius square. Let us assume in this case the radius is 8 centimeter. The simple formula for this is pi into r square. Value of pi is 22 by 7 into 8 square. So when we will get this one, we will be getting area of a complete circle. To find the value of this half sector, we just have to do half into 22 by 7 into 8 square. That gives us value around 100 centimeter. Similarly, we understand that this is a quarter of a circle. Circle is 360 degree, and now this sector is 90 degree. So we get 1/4 of a circle. Find the area of pi into r square. Value of pi is 22 by 7 into value of radius we are assuming to be 8 centimeter, and it will be this way. Now this is also an area of a full circle. To get the value of a quarter, we will just multiply it by 1/4, and in this case our answer is about 50 centimeter square. So in this both the case there was a similarity that we were able to understand how much area of a circle this sector is. But in this case we have not been given clearly anything. We have only been given that this is 80 degree. We can't establish a direct ratio. In this case what we are going to do, we are simply going to take it as 80 degree by 360 degree, because this sector is 80 degree and this whole degree is 270 degree. 80 by 360, this is our ratio. We will substitute this pi into r square. Assuming the same value of radius, we will do multiplication simplification to get the result, and we get here around 45 centimeter square area. Hope you understood this problem clearly. In case if you have any doubt, please put a comment. I'll try to explain you in detail. Please like the video. Please share the video with your friends. And please do subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.